If you and your horses live in a climate with any amount of rainfall or snowmelt, then you've probably experienced the constant battle to keep mud at bay in your horse's outdoor living or exercise areas. Unfortunately, in most parts of the world, the ground nature gives us just can't hold up to the wear and tear that horses and other heavy-hoofed animals exert on high-traffic areas. But with Lighthoof, you and your horse can be mud-free forever. Lighthoof mud management panels are a permanent solution for muddy paddocks, gateways, and other high-traffic areas on your farm. Lighthoof is the safest and most affordable manufactured mud management system available. With less prep work and material than hard plastic panels, Lighthoof eliminates serious mud issues and prevents further damage to paddock footing. You simply stretch the Lighthoof panels out over your existing ground and then fill the cells with compacted gravel. The cells support the gravel and the gravel supports your horse. This brilliant design is based on an invention by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for creating sturdy gravel roads through seemingly impossible terrain. It can hold trucks, tractors, tanks, and of course, your horses. The plastic we use to make the panels is certified by the EPA for a minimum 70-year lifespan and is chemically inert so it can't leach into your groundwater or degrade in your soil. Lighthoof is completely different from any other mud control system in 4 key ways. First, Lighthoof is made from flexible plastic strips, not hard plastic tiles. By conforming politely to your terrain, Lighthoof is the only product that installs right over your existing muddy ground. There's no need to excavate or create a compacted gravel layer underneath. You can install it on steep slopes, around trees, over roots, and through shallow ditches. Lighthoof can also be used to create supported open drainage features within your area to guide water away from your shelters or gates. A huge benefit for maintaining your surface flow. Second, Lighthoof's expanding panels use about 1/3 as much plastic as hard grids. It's true, hard plastic grids contain approximately 3 times more plastic per square foot of coverage than Lighthoof. 3 times more plastic means 3 times the weight for shipping and 3 times the environmental impact. Lighthoof weighs less than 1/2 pound per square foot of coverage and ships and stores collapsed at 3% of its expanded size, saving materials and saving you money. Third, Lighthoof is easier and cheaper to install. Because Lighthoof can be installed directly over your existing muddy ground, you will enjoy less intensive site prep, no need to remove the mud or bring in heavy equipment, ideal for hard to get into areas on your farm, and great if your project is on a tight budget. Much lower gravel usage. Hard plastic grid guidelines recommend 8 to 34 inches of gravel for proper installation, depending on conditions. Lighthoof uses 4 to 6 inches for all conditions. And it's DIY friendly. Lighthoof is uncomplicated to install and doesn't require specialized equipment or tools. If you don't want to do it yourself, we can refer you to an experienced Lighthoof installer in your area. Otherwise, you can roll up your sleeves, grab a rake and a hammer, and get her done this weekend. Finally, Lighthoof is safe and gentle with no brittle edges or slippery surfaces. Our flexible 6-foot by 12-foot panels can't poke up out of the ground with a hard or sharp edge to injure your horse. If they do become exposed, the gentle cell walls simply bend over under the horse's weight, preventing the panel from becoming more exposed. Lighthoof's texturized gravel-filled cells create a surface with excellent traction and stability. This surface is safe and healthy, but if desired, you can top it with several inches of any footing product, such as extra gravel, sand, or bark, for a paddock customized to you and your horse's preferences. Lighthoof was created by horse owners, for horse owners, so that you and your herd can start enjoying the health and safety benefits of a mud-free farm right now. You and your horse can be mud-free forever.